Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to practice some basic daily conversation. 20 simple questions and answers. Ready? I say red, you say blue. Let's begin. What time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. every day because I like to start my day early.
What do you do after waking up?
After waking up, I brush my teeth, freshen up, and sometimes drink a glass of water.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some light exercise like walking or stretching to stay healthy.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast or smoothies for breakfast, and sometimes I drink tea or coffee.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to reach.
What time do you start your day?
I usually start my day at around 9 a.m. after getting ready.
What do you do during your break time?
During break time, I relax, check my phone, or talk with my friends.
Do you eat lunch at home or outside?
I usually eat lunch at home because I prefer homemade food.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have rice, vegetables, and curry for lunch, which is simple and healthy.
How is your daily routine?
My daily routine is simple, and I try to follow it regularly.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I go for a walk or spend time relaxing at home.
Do you watch TV or use your phone at night?
At night, I usually use my phone or chat with my friends.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have a light dinner like pasta or rice with some curry.
Do you read books daily?
Yes, I read books sometimes, especially when I have free time.
Do you help with household work?
Yes, I help with household work like cleaning and arranging things.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean my room once or twice a week to keep it neat and organized.
Do you cook your own food?
Yes, I can cook simple food like rice, noodles, or basic dishes.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by listening to music, watching videos, or just resting quietly.
What is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is the evening because I feel relaxed after finishing my work.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 p.m. so that I can wake up early the next day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing daily conversations.